Discover exceptional jewelry and watch repair services right in your neighborhood with watch technicians. Serving areas like Maryland Heights, Overland, Creve Coeur, St. Louis, and Olivette, we're your go-to for everything from ring sizing and necklace repair to luxury watch and Rolex service. Whether it's replacing missing diamonds or resizing a gold ring, our experts have you covered with top-notch craftsmanship. Trust us to handle your treasures with care and precision. Ready to restore your favorite pieces? Call us today and experience the difference of watch technicians.